Most people think you need a six-figure salary to save $10,000. They're wrong. The truth is, the gap between living paycheck to paycheck and having a massive safety net isn't your income. It's your system. When your car breaks down or a medical bill hits, it shouldn't feel like the end of the world. It should feel like a minor inconvenience. I've spent years analyzing the habits of people who built wealth from nothing. I've seen the anti-panic method turn absolute zero into a five-figure cushion for people making average wages. In this video, I'm giving you the exact blueprint to build a 6-month emergency fund, even if you feel like there's nothing left at the end of the month. We're covering the micro-save strategy, the best places to hide your money from yourself, and how to automate your wealth so you can stop stressing and start living. Let's get you out of survival mode. Let's be honest. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just a budget problem. It's a mental prison. You wake up every Monday with a knot in your stomach. You're doing everything right. You work hard. You cut back on the lattes. But the math still isn't adding up. The real danger isn't the balance in your account right now. It's the what if. What if the transmission in your car dies tomorrow? What if your landlord raises the rent? Or you get a medical bill that looks like a phone number? When you have zero cushion, these aren't just inconveniences. They're catastrophes. You don't have a savings plan. You have a hope planned. You hope the car holds up. You hope the boss is happy. You hope nothing goes wrong. And that hope, it's exhausting. It keeps you awake at 3 a.m. It makes you feel trapped in a job you hate because you're one missed check away from total disaster. This is the panic cycle. And if you don't break it now, you'll be fighting this same battle 5 years from today. Here is the truth. You don't need a six-figure salary to stop panicking every time your car makes a weird noise or your landlord raises the rent. You don't need a windfall. You need a system. I call this the anti-panic blueprint. It's a 4-phase approach designed specifically for people who feel like they have nothing left at the end of the month. Phase 1, the starter fund. Forget the $10,000 goal for a second. That number is overwhelming. It feels impossible. Instead, your only mission is to hit $1,000. That's it. $1,000. This isn't your full emergency fund. It's your life happens fund. It's the barrier between a flat tire and a high-interest credit card debt spiral. To get here fast, we use the scavenger method. Sell one thing you don't use. Cancel 3 subscriptions you forgot about. Take every unexpected penny, tax refunds, side hustle cash, birthday money, and lock it away. Phase 2, plugging the leaks. Most people don't have an income problem, they have a leak problem. You can't fill a bucket if the bottom is missing. I want you to track every single cent for 30 days. Not to restrict yourself, but to find the invisible money. When you see that you're spending $150 a month on convenience fees or unused gym memberships, that's not a loss. That's your emergency fund waiting to be claimed. Phase 3, the engine. Now, where you put the money matters. If your savings are in the same account as your spending, you will spend them. It's human nature. You need a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. Traditional banks pay you practically nothing. An HYSA pays you significantly more just for letting your money sit there. It's passive income in its simplest form. Set up an automatic transfer, even if it's only $20 per paycheck. If you don't see it, you won't miss it. Phase 4, the scale. Once you have your starter $1,000 and your leaks are plugged, we scale. Your goal is now 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Not your current lifestyle, your *essential lifestyle. Rent, utilities, groceries, insurance. This is where the magic happens. Once this fund is full, the paycheck-to-paycheck anxiety vanishes. You aren't working for your boss anymore. You're working for your freedom. Now, here is the secret to making this effortless. You cannot keep your emergency fund in a standard savings account. Your bank is basically stealing your growth. That's why I recommend using a high-yield savings account. I've linked my favorite one in the description. It pays you significantly more just for letting your money sit there. Pair that with a solid budgeting app to automate your transfers. When the money moves before you see it, you don't miss it. The result? You stop waking up at 3 a.m. worrying about a flat tire or a medical bill. You transition from survival mode to growth mode. If you're ready to kill the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, hit that subscribe button. Check the links below to start your anti-panic fund today. Let's build that wealth.